Fleet branding made bold by PRINTZONE. The fleet branding process, from approval to installation. Quote request, design approval, approval assistance, CID and RTA, printing and production, professional installation, final inspection and delivery. The power of fleet branding, top advantages: increased brand visibility, mobile advertising, cost-effective marketing, brand consistency, targeted reach, enhanced professional image, competitive advantage. Types of fleet branding for your business: full fleet wraps, partial fleet wraps, vinyl lettering, magnetic signs. Durability considerations for fleet branding in Dubai: weather resistance, UV resistance, maintenance. Why choose our fleet branding service? Experience, quality, customization, timely delivery, competitive pricing. Process of fleet branding in Dubai: define your branding goals, explore available options, request a quote, evaluate proposals. Ready to rev up your brand's visibility? Contact us at PRINTZONE Advertising LLC